Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CAD Tutorials for Beginners to Advanced. In this lecture, let's discuss about the next sweep type in generative shape design. So here we are going to discuss about the last type of circle profile type with a limit curve and tangent surface. So let us start with the generative shape design. Go to the start, then shape and the generative shape design. So here in the new part we can keep this details as it is, and now we are in the generative shape design workbench. So let's see what are the inputs required for this command. So just go to the circle profile type and then click on the last type, which is the last type, the limit curve and the tangent surface. So here you can see there are inputs such as limit curve, tangent surface, then radius, angle 1, angle 2, and then as usual we have relimiter 1, relimiter 2. So limit curve, so you can see L stands for limit curve. In this diagrammatic representation you can see the L is nothing but a limit curve, and then S is nothing but a tangent surface, and the radius we can provide based on the requirement, and then again based on the requirement we can adjust these angles. Okay, so let's cancel this and we'll first create this limit curve and tangent surface so that we can practice this with the help of practical demonstration. Okay, so let's select the position sketch, and I will create a tangent surface first. So let's draw on the front plane, and let's use the arc here. Select the center and then first point and the second point. Let's provide the dimensions. Let's provide as 80 and then exit the workbench. And now we'll use the extrude command to extrude this profile. So just use the extrude here, and then you can see the preview, you can see the automatically it's generated. Just reverse the direction and make the dimension as 200 and just click on OK. So now we have our tangent surface ready, and this is nothing but a limit surface. Okay, we can make use of this. So now we have the inputs required for this sweep type, and we can go for it. Okay, so just click on the sweep here. Now the swept surface definition dialog box comes up. So just select the last point, last subtype in the circle profile type, limit curve and the tangent surface. So select the limit curve. So limit curve you can see from the surface, right? So this is the edge of the surface. So just select this edge here, and then tangent surface. So this is nothing but our tangent surface. So let's try to preview it. You can see the sweep is created here, right? If you just click on OK here, you can see the sweep surface is created here. Okay, and now we have again the solutions here. We can use them. So just double click here. You can see there are two solutions, and this yellow is going to be remain, right? So if you click on preview and OK, you can see the yellow portion is remaining there, right? So just double click here, and let's try to change this radius to 50. And again you can see the preview is there, and the yellow profile, yellow portion will get remained. Okay, when we click on OK. So in this way we can use this command. So again, this is a simple command but very powerful we can use. So again, if you want to change the angles here, so let's try changing this angle. You can directly change from here as well. So let's try to change it to 60, and now you can see the angle is 60 here. So if you want to add some gap here, let's say 10, you can see this red portion is getting removed now. So if you click on OK, you can see that red portion is removed now. Just double click here. So let's make this as 0 again. Just click on preview. And just click OK. Okay. So in this way you can use this, and again you can change the values or parameters from this sweep command itself from the specification tree. So you can change the angles here, radius here. Just change let's try changing to 100, and you can see the radius has been changed now to 100. Again if you want to change the angle, let's try that as well, 85. So now you can see the angle also change here. Now let's try to use the relimiters now. Okay, let me try one more thing. I think it's not possible here. Okay, no worries. So let's try to use the relimiters now. So again, just right click here in the no selection field and create a plane. So here now we'll use this edge here. This is nothing but a curve here, so we can use this curve, and then it will by default create a point in the middle, so we can change that, but let's keep it as it is currently and just click on preview, and you can see the blue portion is getting created on the this side. So let's click on OK, and if you again just make this plane show, you can see the sweep is created in between this plane and this origin plane. Again, if you want to add one more relimiter here, you can just do that. Just create a point and select this curvature here, and then again select this ratio. So let's make it to 0.9. So it's creating here, right? So just reverse the direction of it so that it will be on the other side. So just click on OK and try to click on preview. Here you can see the surface, the blue surface, which is nothing but a preview for this, and which is getting created in between these two relimiters. So just click OK here, and you can see the sweep is created in between these two portions. So in this way we can make use of this sweep type, which is nothing but a limit curve and tangency surface. So in our upcoming tutorials, we are going to cover the next profile type, which is nothing but a conic. Just click on conic and we'll see what are the different subtypes of it. You can see the 2 guide curves, then 3 guide curves, 4 guide curves, and the 5 guide curves. So when you select 2 guide curve, it will ask for the guide curve 1, guide curve 2. Similarly, if you try to check different options here, then based on that you need to provide the details here. So we are going to cover it in this in our upcoming tutorials. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for such more videos. Thank you so much.